1.
The temple must be resealed.
Adds in 5 left side, and then droplets. Right side
What is
soak in
this?
5. The add, just droplets.
Healing screen totem.
Droplets, be careful. Phasing in 10.
Healing screen totem.
Spread out.
Surging totem.
I need a 2. I'm in the middle. Where's the 2's at?
Healing
We have
screen
a 1
totem.
in the middle now. Right side, add in 5. And then get out. You have droplets right after. Left side, soak in 5.
Healing screen totem. Surging totem. Totemic
your back,
projector
right side.
swiftness. Healing screen totem.
Get kegs up. Droplets in 5. Right side. Again, do not be
Storm screen
between the
totem.
2 bosses in that path. You will die.
Surging totem. Totemic projection.
Droplets. Group soak in 5. Right side adds in 5. Bait it. You don't have to take that to the corner. Just stay by
Healing
the boss,
screen
then
totem.
people will move with the group soak. Droplets in 5. Right side, be careful. Watch your backs.
Totemic projection. Surging totem. Healing screen totem.
10. Spread out. Spread out, we're feet.
Nature's swiftness.
Couple ones on the
Storm
right side.
screen
Go to
totem.
the right side. Green's coming to the left. Adds in 5 green, get in.
Everybody needs to stack up over there.
Surging totem.
Watch the spikes. Group soak in
Healing
5
screen
right
totem.
side. Droplets are coming out. Left side, be careful. Get on the ad and watch your back from the droplets.
Healing
She
screen
ad.
totem.
More droplets in 5.
Surging totem. Healing screen totem.
Droplets. Watch your backs.
Nature's swiftness.
Right side, group soak in 5. That's in 5
Storm
left
screen
side,
totem.
nuke it. More droplets in 5. Left side, watch your backs.
Healing screen totem.
Phasing in 10, finish the ad. Spread out, phasing in 5. Get Saber up after this
Surging
is done.
totem. Spirit link totem. Healing screen totem.
2's in the middle. Red's coming to the left. Get Saber up. Buff him. Right side, add in 5, and then droplets right after. Be careful right side from the droplets.
Healing screen
Left
totem.
side.
Get away from the center.
Totemic projection. Nature's
Droplets are coming
swiftness.
in, be careful.
Surging totem. Healing screen totem.
Droplets in 5. Be careful right side.
Healing stream
Droplets are
totem.
coming out. Watch your backs.
We have a far droplet.
Adds in
Storm
5
screen
right side.
totem.
Soak left side.
Surging totem.
Droplets in 5. Be careful right side. Phasing in 10. Phasing in 5. Spread out.
Nature's swiftness. Surging totem.
Green's coming to the left side, Key. We have a 1 on the left here. Get him. 2's to the middle pin. 2's to the middle pin. No.
And a
Sorry,
3.
you were 3. You were 3. You're right. My bad. Adds coming out left side.
Healing stream totem.
Stack up over there.
Droplets. Be careful for the droplets, guys.
Totemic
We have
projection.
immunity.
Surging totem. Healing stream totem.
Finish the ad left side. Get
Totemic
those last
projection.
droplets. A couple more droplets. Be careful. They're going to the boss.
Storm screen totem.
Lighted blood's coming out right side. You are going to drop a pull if you are dispelled. Sorry if it expires. Droplets are coming out. Be careful. Side, watch
Surging
your
totem.
backs.
Nature's swiftness.
Time didn't work. Right side,
Healing
nuke
stream
soak.
totem.
Left side adds in 5. Nuke the ad.
Wither with her poison.
The ad left side. Droplets in 5. Be careful left side. Finish off the ad. We're phasing in 15 seconds. Watch the droplets. Watch your back left side.
Surging totem.
Spread. We're phasing. Finish off the ad and spread. 2's in the middle.
Healing stream totem.
Droplets. Be careful. We have a couple 1s on the
We have
left.
3 over here on the left.
Yeah,
Spirit
Ben's going
link
to you.
totem.
Now red's coming to, yeah, red's coming to the left. Right side, bait your ad in
Healing
5.
Combat potions again.
Yeah. Ad's on the right, nuke the ad, and
Do we have another
left
Brez?
side, soaking 5. In 15 seconds, I'll call it.
Nature's
Group soak
swiftness.
left
Totemic
side.
projection.
Do the droplets and pop personals here. Stay alive.
Droplets
Healing
incoming.
screen totem.
Get me up when you can.
I got you. Careful, the blood is going to be there.
Surging totem.
Droplets in
screen
5.
totem.
Watch your backs right side. We're more than okay. Don't worry.
We need more on breath. More on breath.
Yeah, go over to breath. Couple guys from the left range, try to attack them and watch the droplets. Be careful from the droplets, they are coming in. Make sure we're getting the
Healing
droplets.
stream totem.
Fuck yeah.
Surging
Time
totem.
for last full magic.
Good work.
Man, this raid is something, huh? Jesus Christ.